What if I told you that some cars are practically immortal? That while other vehicles break down, rack up costly repairs, and eventually fade into the junkyard, a select few just keep going decade after decade. Their engines don't just run, they thrive, defying time, mileage, and whatever punishment the road throws at them. In 2025, the automotive world has reached a new level of engineering mastery. We're talking about cars designed with precision, durability, and cutting-edge technology. So, if you've ever wondered which cars will still be running flawlessly in 2040, 2050, or even beyond, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we count down the 15 most reliable cars of 2025. 15. Ford Fusion Hybrid. At the starting line of our reliability spectrum, the Ford Fusion Hybrid lays its foundation with a blend of modern innovation and familiar mid-American grit. Despite a history peppered with mixed reviews, the 2025 iteration of the Fusion Hybrid has undergone a significant transformation. Ford's engineers have reworked the hybrid powertrain to ensure that every component, from the high-torque electric motor to the turbocharged EcoBoost engine, is designed for longevity. The integration of lightweight aluminum and advanced cooling systems helps mitigate engine stress, allowing for consistent performance over the years. Under the hood, you'll find an engine management system that actively monitors wear and tear, adjusting fuel injection and ignition timing to preserve engine integrity. The Fusion Hybrid's reliability also comes from its adaptive regeneration system, which recaptures energy normally lost during braking, reducing overall engine strain. While it may rank at the lower end of our list, rest assured that the Fusion Hybrid is a product of diligent research and iterative improvement. For enthusiasts who appreciate a well-rounded machine that prioritizes both performance and economy, this model marks the entry point into the world of forever-lasting engines. 14. Chevrolet Malibu. Climbing just a notch higher, the Chevrolet Malibu has evolved into a steadfast performer in 2025. Chevrolet's relentless pursuit of perfection is evident in the Malibu's reimagined engine architecture, which now features enhanced durability and refined combustion control. The redesigned direct injection system not only optimizes fuel economy, but also minimizes carbon buildup, a key factor in long-term engine health. Technically speaking, the Malibu benefits from a multi-point sensor network that vigilantly monitors engine temperatures, pressures, and vibrations. This proactive approach to maintenance means that potential issues are nipped in the bud before they can escalate. The chassis has been re-engineered with advanced alloys, offering a robust platform that absorbs road stresses gracefully. Car enthusiasts will particularly appreciate the Malibu's balanced ride dynamics and the seamless integration of modern infotainment with diagnostic displays that keep you informed about your engine's well-being. Though it may not hold the top spot in our ranking, the Malibu provides an evidence to Chevrolet's commitment to reliability and innovative engineering. 13. Mazda 6. Next in our journey is the Mazda 6, a vehicle that marries spirited driving dynamics with an engine designed for endurance. Mazda's engineers have long been renowned for their Skyactiv philosophy, and the 2025 Mazda 6 is no exception. The Skyactiv G engine employs high compression ratios alongside lightweight components, creating a harmonious blend of performance and fuel efficiency. From a technical standpoint, the Mazda 6 benefits from precision CNC machining and a state-of-the-art thermal management system. The result is an engine that not only offers brisk acceleration, but also minimizes wear over extended periods of operation. Mazda's use of friction-reducing coatings on critical engine parts ensures that even under high RPM conditions, the moving parts remain in optimal condition. Car enthusiasts will find the Mazda 6 appealing for its responsive throttle, smooth gear transitions, and the confidence of a powertrain that seems to defy the typical wear associated with spirited driving. Its balance of performance and durability makes it a strong contender, inching closer to the heart of reliability. 12. Nissan Sentra. In the realm of compact sedans, the Nissan Sentra stands as a paragon of modern engineering. The 2025 Sentra has been completely revamped, featuring an engine that prioritizes both efficiency and longevity. Under the hood, Nissan's advanced variable valve timing (VVT) system works in concert with an all-new direct injection engine to provide a consistently smooth power delivery while minimizing engine stress. The Sentra's engine is built using a combination of high-tensile steel and innovative composites that resist fatigue over time. In addition, Nissan has incorporated a smart self-diagnostic module that not only alerts drivers to minor issues before they become significant, but also adapts the engine's performance to prevailing conditions. This holistic approach to engine care means that regular maintenance is more predictable and overall reliability is markedly improved. For those who favor a compact yet capable ride, the Nissan Sentra offers an enticing mix of cutting-edge technology and proven engineering, a model that car enthusiasts can count on day in and day out. 11. Hyundai Sonata. The Hyundai Sonata has always been a symbol of modern design and technological prowess, and the 2025 version takes reliability to the next level. Sporting a meticulously re-engineered engine, the Sonata incorporates a blend of advanced turbocharging and hybrid assistance. This combination not only ensures a responsive driving experience, but also significantly reduces engine wear. At the heart of the Sonata lies a robust powertrain that leverages cutting-edge direct injection and variable compression technologies. Hyundai's engineers have introduced a proprietary cooling system that maintains optimal temperatures even under heavy loads, thereby prolonging engine life. Furthermore, the Sonata's smart ECU continuously monitors engine performance, optimizing fuel delivery and ignition timing to prevent undue stress. For car lovers who seek a refined driving experience without sacrificing longevity, the Sonata stands out as a reliable companion on the road, proving that modern design and durability can coexist beautifully. 10. Kia Forte. Closely related to the Sonata in both philosophy and performance, the Kia Forte has carved out its own niche with a focus on robust engineering and engine longevity. The 2025 Forte showcases Kia's latest innovations, featuring a redesigned engine that blends efficiency with resilience. The incorporation of lightweight materials and an advanced timing chain system ensures that the engine's moving parts maintain their integrity over extensive periods. Kia's commitment to durability is evident in the Forte's adaptive fuel injection system and enhanced lubrication technology. These features reduce friction and minimize wear, making it a delight for those who push their vehicles to the limit. Moreover, the Forte comes equipped with a driver-friendly dashboard that provides real-time diagnostics, empowering owners with knowledge about their engine's performance. While it may sit in the middle of our ranking, the Forte represents a well-balanced offering, combining affordability, advanced technology, and a commitment to everlasting engine performance that resonates with every car lover. 9. Hyundai Elantra. Stepping up in our hierarchy, the Hyundai Elantra has embraced a philosophy of continuous improvement, merging elegant design with a powertrain built to last. The 2025 Elantra's engine employs next-generation turbocharging techniques, alongside an innovative direct injection system that maximizes efficiency while reducing internal wear. Hyundai's attention to detail is evident in the incorporation of high-performance alloys and an intelligent cooling mechanism that ensures stable operating temperatures even during prolonged drives. From the perspective of engine durability, the Elantra's meticulously engineered valve train and reinforced crankshaft provide a stable foundation for long-term use. The vehicle also benefits from a comprehensive sensor network that monitors every nuance of engine performance, alerting drivers to potential issues before they escalate. The Hyundai Elantra provides a dependable, innovative design that elevates every trip to a feat of engineering brilliance for individuals who appreciate both performance and peace of mind. 8. Honda Fit. Known for its nimble character and surprising utility, the Honda Fit has long been a favorite among urban drivers and car enthusiasts alike. In 2025, Honda has refined the Fit's engine to epitomize reliability through the use of advanced materials and precision engineering. The Fit's engine design emphasizes efficiency without compromising durability, incorporating features such as optimized combustion chambers and improved thermal regulation. One of the standout aspects of the Honda Fit is its intelligent engine management system. This system continuously adapts to driving conditions, ensuring that fuel delivery, air intake, and ignition timing work in harmony to minimize wear. The Fit's compact engine is crafted with high-grade components designed to endure the rigors of daily commuting and spirited driving alike. For those who appreciate a small car with a big heart, the Honda Fit provides a blend of practicality and technical ingenuity, making it a shining example of modern automotive reliability. 7. Acura TLX. For those looking to step into the realm of premium sedans, the Acura TLX offers an enticing proposition. The 2025 TLX is engineered with a refined powertrain that boasts both performance and longevity. Acura's approach marries Honda's legendary engineering with luxury-oriented enhancements, resulting in an engine that delivers smooth power while standing the test of time. The TLX's V6 engine is built with advanced metallurgy and features a state-of-the-art variable valve timing system that ensures optimal efficiency. Additionally, Acura's proprietary engine mapping software fine-tunes every cycle, reducing stress on engine components and prolonging their life. This model also benefits from precision balancing of internal parts, ensuring that vibrations are minimized and that the engine runs like clockwork. For car lovers who crave the comfort of a luxury ride without compromising on reliability, the Acura TLX is a sophisticated choice that elevates every drive with its blend of technology, style, and enduring performance. 6. Subaru Legacy. Stepping into the realm of all-weather resilience, the Subaru Legacy has long been celebrated for its robust design and enduring performance. The 2025 Legacy refines its iconic boxer engine, designed to deliver a lower center of gravity and improved balance, by incorporating advanced materials and enhanced cooling channels that ensure its longevity. Subaru's engineers have reworked the Legacy's engine components to resist the wear and tear that comes from both spirited driving and challenging conditions. The horizontally opposed pistons and optimized valve timing system work together to produce a smooth, reliable power delivery. Additionally, the Legacy is equipped with Subaru's renowned all-wheel drive system, which not only provides exceptional traction, but also contributes to even engine load distribution. For enthusiasts who value a car that can tackle diverse climates and terrains, the Subaru Legacy stands as a testament to durable engineering and thoughtful design. 5. Toyota Camry Hybrid. As we move further up our list, the Toyota Camry Hybrid represents a benchmark in reliability and efficiency. Toyota's hybrid technology is legendary, and the 2025 Camry Hybrid builds on decades of expertise. The engine combines a refined internal combustion system with an electric motor that works in tandem to reduce overall strain, resulting in a powertrain that is as enduring as it is efficient. Technical improvements in the Camry Hybrid include advanced thermal management, precision-engineered fuel injection, and an integrated regenerative braking system that minimizes engine wear. Toyota's use of high-grade materials and continuous monitoring systems further ensures that every component remains within optimal performance ranges. Individual car lovers who opt for the Camry Hybrid not only enjoy an exceptionally smooth ride, but also the reassurance of a meticulously engineered machine built for longevity. This model stands as a prime example of how modern hybrid systems can deliver both power and an almost timeless durability. 4. Honda Accord. No discussion of lasting engines would be complete without mentioning the Honda Accord, a vehicle that has defined reliability for generations. The 2025 Accord continues this legacy with an engine that epitomizes Honda's commitment to precision engineering and endurance. Featuring a finely tuned V4 or V6 option, depending on your preference, the Accord's powertrain is built with components designed to endure the rigors of daily driving and spirited performance alike. Every element of the Accord's engine, from its high-strength aluminum block to its intricately designed cooling system, is optimized for long-term durability. Honda's continuous improvements in fuel injection, combustion chamber design, and emission control have resulted in an engine that runs efficiently while maintaining structural integrity. The Accord is more than just a reliable sedan. It's a statement of engineering excellence and an example to the timeless pursuit of perfection in automotive design. 3. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius has become synonymous with hybrid innovation, and its 2025 model reinforces its position as a leader in engine longevity. Building on decades of research, the Prius combines a state-of-the-art electric motor with an internal combustion engine that has been refined to operate with unparalleled efficiency. This dynamic duo is supported by Toyota's advanced battery management and energy recovery systems, ensuring that every joule of power is used to its maximum potential while reducing engine stress. At the core of the Prius's reliability is a hybrid system that smartly distributes power based on real-time demands. This not only enhances fuel economy, but also minimizes wear by ensuring that the internal combustion engine is only called upon when absolutely necessary. With improved thermal efficiency and adaptive engine calibration, the Prius stands as a shining example of how hybrid technology can be harnessed to deliver both performance and durability. For environmentally conscious enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on reliability, the Toyota Prius is an enduring symbol of progress and engineering mastery. 2. Lexus ES. Stepping into the luxury segment, the Lexus ES marries opulence with the kind of engineering reliability that Toyota's reputation is built upon. The 2025 ES refines its engine with precision-tuned components, offering a driving experience that is both supremely smooth and remarkably resilient. Advanced noise-dampening technologies and an intricately balanced powertrain ensure that every component works in perfect harmony, setting a new standard for what a forever-lasting engine should be. Lexus's focus on meticulous craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from the high-performance catalytic converters that maintain emissions control to the intelligent engine management system that monitors performance around the clock. The result is a vehicle that delivers a luxurious ride without ever sacrificing the rock-solid reliability that discerning drivers demand. Car lovers who choose the Lexus ES can enjoy the dual benefits of luxury and enduring engineering, a rare combination that elevates everyday driving into an experience of refined excellence. 1. Toyota Corolla. Crowning our list, the Toyota Corolla stands as the undisputed champion of reliable engineering in 2025. Often regarded as a workhorse by commuters and car enthusiasts alike, the Corolla's engine has been fine-tuned over decades to achieve a near-mythical status in longevity. The latest Corolla incorporates advanced combustion techniques, lightweight yet durable materials, and an integrated self-monitoring system that together ensure that every drive is as dependable as the last. What truly sets the Corolla apart is its blend of simplicity and innovation. While its design remains elegantly straightforward, Toyota has packed it with cutting-edge technologies that extend the life of its engine. From precision-engineered pistons to a state-of-the-art lubrication system, every detail is optimized for durability. For those who demand reliability above all else, the Toyota Corolla not only delivers an engine built to last forever, but also embodies the very essence of automotive trust and ingenuity. In a world where technology evolves faster than ever, finding a car that stands the test of time is no small feat. But as we've seen, some vehicles are simply built different, designed not just for performance, but for endurance, reliability, and legendary longevity. These 15 cars aren't just great for today, they're investments in a future where breakdowns and costly repairs are the least of your worries. Please like this video, share your experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more trusted reviews and up-to-date car advice.